In this quick video, I just wanted to show you my parents' van. They purchased this 95 Chevy conversion van a little bit before I got mine. And it was already set up for camping and traveling, just basic setup with a bed in it. And I just thought that the way that the individual built the bed in a very simple but practical fashion, I just wanted to show it. I have modified the bed somewhat because my parents wanted the bed a little higher for more storage underneath of it and a little more forward in the cabin so that they had some storage space behind it. But I still wanted to show you the construction. It just shows you that something that can be done simply with just 2x4s and a skill saw. So here we go. So what I thought was really interesting about this bed, I'll show you right here, is the previous owner designed it right over the wheel wells, and he used a 2x8. You'll see there's a piece of plywood on top here that I got, but there's a 2x8 here that laid horizontally, and then inside that 2x8 is a 2x4 laid vertically, and they're screwed together with screws. And he had this sitting right down on the wheel wells, which it worked just fine because it was wide enough to set over the wheel wells. He had the bed farther back into this space, and now we moved it forward. But just goes to show you that just really simple construction, 2x8s on both sides, and then the rest of it's 2x4 construction, and it made for a really nice and sturdy bed. And then on top of it, which this is the same plywood he used 5/8, which I might go with 3/4, but 5/8 is sufficient. And so you have access with the piano hinge down the center. So that's quite a bit of storage. That's the full width of the van and 16 inches high. So you can get a lot of stuff under there, and that's of course with the bed moved forward, you have all this storage in the back. I'll take you around and show you the front real quick. Use some carpet to cover up the front of the box. You can see that there, which works. So looks like boat carpet. So it's probably something he had available. And then you can access this front of the box here. And so my parents have 6-inch memory foam, and it goes on top. And so this bed is the size of a full-size bed, which is 54 inches sleeping width. And of course you would sleep across, like in my van that I have. And that allows one person to hang their feet over the back to get out the back if they want, if they don't want to disturb the other individual sleeping, and vice versa for the person in the front of the van. And then one little addition that I did, I wanted to show you. One of the problems with these vans, anyways, on the ones we have, the 93 and the 95, is you can't open the back door from inside the van unless you open the window and reach out. So what I did was I cut a hole. It's a 2.5-inch hole, and then I molded the carpet around the inside of the hole, and you can just reach in there with your fingers and pull the door open, so you can get access to the latch. So just a quick fix, still attractive. So catch you later.